what exactly we are today's thing that we are having on the agenda.
Okay, so so today we will be focusing on two things. Okay, how you guys can make your project unique, and the second thing will be there like whatever issues like which you guys are facing. So, okay, so because it's a last workshop, basically last day. So I think that need to be there like for you guys if you guys are facing like any error, so we can resolve those things and all.
Jyotir, have we completed the step where they need to fork the code?
Yeah, they currently I'm looking at it. So I found that 144 forks are there, but only 30 pull requests are there. So because as much as I know, like more than 100 people are there in the workshop, so more than 100 pull requests should be raised. So
Got it.
I think like very low number of people are there who did it. So like so today, yeah, today we will be focusing on that thing as well. Okay,
Can I
so
get a quick thumbs up emoji from you guys? How many have done this part? I think Sachin, Aryan, right? There are two people. Kosto is also there. Karthik, Shivam, Sweta, Rohit, right? So just to start with the on that front, so people who have already forked it. You have any questions till here? Anything that you want to understand? You are having facing any issue, right? So there will be two parts. Answering your questions with the issues that you guys are having, right? Second part is bettering your projects, right? Uh, so the obviously uh, when you are joining a workshop or something, right? Apart from the learning part, there should be some monetary incentive benefit out of it, right? And we have already shared with you, right? Hacknode India, right? That is there. So we expect that you guys take full advantage of that part, right? And submit your projects, right? The reason behind the same is that I feel uh, you guys have already understood how to make a project, right? Make it a better one, right? And the projects that you have forked, right? These are the common projects. So now you just need to make a little bit of changes that Jyotirmay will guide you up, cosmetic changes, right? And it's a huge prize pool here. Uh, to just give you a context, right? Uh, that one of our student recently won a hackathon and received 16,500 US dollars, right? So such big amount people are winning, right? And this 5,000 US dollar prize pool is also very big, right? So this was the, I think I'll share the post link, right? Uh, this was the, you guys can verify it as well, right? Maybe you will say that, you guys are just letting us know because you wanted us to. But it's not like that, right? So you can also be the next one, right? Your interviews will be published and all that perks that will be there apart from the winning prize pool, right? So I'll highly recommend you guys, right? How many of you will uh submit the project? Just say yes to me in the chat box. How many of you will? Yes, Mandala. I think Mandala is regularly in this all the Kostu is also there, Aryan is also there constantly. So there are three people who are saying. What about the other people? We have around 30, 32 folks, right? आज जन्माष्टमी देखने कौन कौन जा रहा है आप में से? अरे की इमोजी रिएक्शन दे दो यार इस बात पे कौन जा रहा है? रोहित? रोहित is only Gaurav is going on, right? It was a long weekend, so I can understand that you guys might be like an outside, right? So let's quickly yeah, you can definitely do that. So Jyotir, I just wanted you to take Wonder's one question that is facing an issue, and the second is Kavya's question, right? So that we also make people if they wanted to make new projects, right? How we can help them out. Right? So Over to you, Yuthil. And if you guys are facing an issue, do let us know in the chat box, right? Thank you. Yes, Yuthil.
Okay, sorry. Wonderborn, you are facing this error of unable to fork it now. So first of all, can you share me your screen? Like, I think that would be better, like for me as well. Wonderborn, can you share?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just share it. Yeah. What? Okay, guys, whomsoever is facing the error, just try to keep the errors. Okay, so we will not be wasting like time. Okay, so because today I will try to like resolve errors like whatever you guys are facing. Okay, because you guys are sent into WhatsApp group, so I think here we can like resolve some of them and then we can move forward as well.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Yeah, okay, click on it. Okay, okay. Yeah, now you can fork. Done.
So where to go next?
Okay. You are right now here only. Okay. Open your GitHub. Your GitHub.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So this is my GitHub.
Is it the reload one? Reloaded one?
Yeah, yes, sir. It's reloaded.
I think this is the issue from the GitHub. Okay. Can you open your open the blocks block GitHub once more?
Yes, sir.
First of all, okay. First of all, can you can okay doesn't matter. Like too many tabs are there, na, so my okay. Can you fork it again?
Yes, sir.
Hello, are you doing something?
Yes, sir.
Are,
What?
are you doing something like my? I think your screen is stuck.
Sir, no, sir. My network is slow.
I think your
So can you
thing.
see?
No, it's stuck.
So create a new fork. Can you see that
Uh,
page?
no, no. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Right now. Okay. Okay. Your owner is a Wonder. Say Wonder. Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. Keep it here. Okay. But what
Yes, sir.
forks are named? Copy the main branch only. You are getting a fork in your personal branch. ठीक है. Click on it. Create fork. Okay, just a minute, just a minute. Open the inspect. Okay, it is happening. Okay. Okay. I think your internet's too slow. Like maybe it is taking too much time. That's why it is. Maybe it was rejecting something. Like it can be happen. Maybe your internet is the issue or
Yes, sir.
your
So you can
GitHub.
come to my
Okay,
later. Uh, so can
your voice is not clear. Like your voice is not clear. It's breaking. So can I make a different project for the hackathon instead of updating the common? Yeah, definitely. So basically, the template, Kavya. So basically, the templates we are providing you, it's basically for the basically you can say people who are not that much like into the hackathons, or basically who are not used to of the things. Okay, but even if you want to make anything new, okay, without copy and pasting the, without using the template which we are providing it to you, you can do that thing as well. Okay, but I already told you guys how to do it. Just make a new folder, okay, and into it make new files, and then you can do like whatever you want. Okay, but the objectives which a hackathon wants from your project, okay, those need to be fulfilled. So try to keep those things into your mind. Okay, so that is thing. That is not a problem. Okay, that is not a problem to make entire new project. Of course, we want you guys to make entire new project. Okay, that is the thing. But we are providing templates, so let's say like some support from our ends can be there, will be there for you guys. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, guys. So yeah, see, if you guys are facing any issue regarding the pull request part, I want you guys to make the pull request as many as possible. Okay, because till now only 30 pull requests happened from you guys from the side of yours. Okay, let me see like how many. Yeah, only 30 happened. Okay, but we are looking to like to have like more than 100, because the participation was like more than 100 into the workshop. Okay, so we are thinking to get like that those many pull requests in onto the block say block GitHub. Okay, so if you guys are facing any issue regarding the pull request, so the video and the resources which we provided to you, you can follow through those things. Okay, but even then you will gonna face some issues, then of course we will be there to look onto it. Okay, so yeah, you guys can write questions of your whatever you guys are facing right now. Okay, so I will try to answer those questions like in a while. Okay, because now we need to focus on two things, because it's a last workshop as well. So that I can guide you I can guide you guys for the betterment of your project, so guys, so that you guys will be able to uh have some skin in the game. Okay, so that is the thing. So basically, in terms of UI and UX, okay, in terms of UI and UX, what you guys do, like I know it is sometimes difficult, like whenever we make projects. So in terms of backend, things are a little bit like what can we can say things are a little bit easier to understand and to make the picturization of those things. Okay, in terms of backend, I'm telling, because things are there, they're only technical, only code is there. Okay, we are not dealing with the UI and UX. Okay, but when it's come to UI and UX, things can be a little bit tricky, or sometimes little bit not that easy to go with. Okay, so that's why like whenever I used to do the development. Okay, like when I was in college and all, so when at that point of time when I used to do the development, so what I used to do, I used to hover onto the sites of the particular idea. Suppose if I want to make a chatbot. Okay, so what I can do, I can go onto as many sites as possible, because currently we are not having only chat gpt. Okay, we are having numerous chat sites basically, on which we can go and we can like have a look on the UI whatever they are providing to us. Okay, so after seeing these like too many sites, what you will gonna have, you will gonna have a culmination of the things which you want to provide onto your site. Okay, to the people. Okay, so don't merge UI and UX into one thing, because both are different. Okay, I will gonna comment it, and both are very important. So basically this is for the UI. Okay, and currently we are having chat gpt, Claude, okay, Grok as well. So numerous things, numerous like chatbots are there. So I want you guys to make the most out of it. Okay, try to use as many as possible, because like those are like very good in terms of writing the code for the backend, and also providing the idea and the refinement into your ideas as well. So that thing is there. So other than the UI part, always try to focus on the UX. Okay, suppose basically UX means user experience. Okay, most of the people neglect the part of the user experience. Okay, but that is the most important point on which you guys have to focus upon. Okay, because don't it doesn't matter how much good UI you looks, how much good backend you made. Okay, because like in terms of UX, if I say IRCTC, one of the worst website which I go through. Okay, and most of the people say that it is the backend of it, it's robust, it's very very good, because like some people say it is on like .NET and all. I don't know like on which language it is, but people say like backend of it's like very very good, but in terms of UI and UX, it worst. Okay, that's why like even after like that's why like too many people are there who don't want to, they're okay to spend like 30 rupees 40 rupees even on make my trip, because they don't want to go on to those sites to like mess up their mind and be like irritate. Okay, so that is the thing. So try to keep these things in your mind. Or and one more thing, okay, in terms of idea. Okay, so you guys, like it can happen with some people who are participating in the hackathon, like what idea we can follow through. Okay, so basically no matter how many products are there, but some market gap remains there. Okay, like in terms of chat gpt. Okay, chat gpt came, but even after that, grok, grok is a good example. Okay, what is grok grok basically is a AI chatbot with human kind of tendencies, you can say. That is not basically chat gpt is like, it's kind of like a too professional. Okay, you can say too professional, but grok is not that professional. It's like a okay friend of you. Okay, so that's why every time some gap remains in the market, and you guys can try to find it with tools, AI tools, and as well, because they are also are helpful to finding that gap whatever remains in the market. Okay, so and if you are having the idea onto your mind, so nothing better than this. Okay, nothing better than that. So basically that is a thing. So right now, so basically these are things which I want to like guide you guys. Okay, and uh in terms of, if you want to read about something, yeah, suppose if you are facing any error, if you want to add something onto your site and you are not like if you are like a little bit confused, okay, like from where to read about the about stuffs and all. Okay, so AI are good. Okay, but for the research part, those are not that well and not that recommended. So always in the first hand, you guys can go to the medium. Okay, so the article of medium are very very good. Okay, and other than that, numerous articles are there. Okay, but like go for me, like always go site is like medium. Okay, so from that only I read the articles about the things. So for basically basic, because the articles of there are a little bit easier to understand, you can say. Okay, and then you guys can hover onto the articles which are a little bit more technical to deal with. Okay, so these are the things which you guys can keep onto your mind. And other than this, yeah, I think these things are there only. Okay, so if you guys are having any question, you guys can ask and all, so that we will be having some like resolution of those things. Okay, so yeah, just a minute, let me just look into it. Okay, so whatever question like related to project, and like if you guys like, okay, if you guys can, if you guys are like, okay, we are stuck onto it, like how to find the how, like not yeah, technical error you can ask. Okay, but because I will gonna look onto it. Okay, so these things are there, so you guys can ask like whatever thing. Okay, you guys can ask related to like UI UX idea. Okay, market gap, other thing like how to be like good player in the hackathon. What are those parameters because of which our project will be look like different and all. Okay, so that's like Sahil and me we will gonna answer those things to you guys. Okay, so it is there. Yeah, you guys can write your questions. Just a minute, let me just take
One.
okay. uh okay, Sahil, can you answer this question of RN Kumar Prajapati? Like it's like hackathon related, so that's why. Okay,
I have changed the UX related products now. What to do for the hackathon? Uh, I think like you just need to like as any other hackathon, you need to submit a project, right? So Jyotirmay, I have already given you the basic template and all, right? Now you build on top of it, right, and submit the project on the block se block website, right? So you guys need to submit the project, right? Uh, on what basis, and the highest number of priority or the highest number of marks will be given to projects which are unique, which are new, which are not using just the templates, right? Obviously, if we are giving just the template, you just need to fork them. Obviously, it doesn't make sense to reward on that basis, right? So that is one. Kavya's question is, so the project should have AI and Web3 both, or just AI integration is enough? Kavya's only thing that matters is OpenxAI integration, right? That obviously OpenxAI is an AI thing, right? So obviously AI part is, it's not whether it's a Web3 or not. The major part is that whatever the steps are being provided here, you need to follow that, and it should have OpenxAI. That thing. Is recording available? Yes, recordings will be available. Will be sent to people who have genuine reasons. Right? Will be shared accordingly. Do we need to change in backend too? Aryan, backend, is majoritarily, I believe, Jyotir, correct me if I'm
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
backend is majoritarily your open source models, right? So nothing much you can change, right? Because obviously we can also understand that this is just a starting point of your AI journey, right? So, but major changes can be done on the front end side, right? Obviously, you have your own, so to give you a context is, uh, what AI tools you use, Aryan? Give me two names, like two different uh, things, Aryan. Two names of AI tools that you use. ChatGPT and Grok, right? Uh, let's just say the example of uh, you say the example of AI, AI meeting recorder, right? So AI meeting recorder and a chat GPT thing, what is the difference between both the things? So that tool is dedicatedly made for recording your meeting and summarize it, right? So UI UX is changed, right? The idea is very niche. On the contrary, ChatGPT is very generic in nature. It does majority of the things itself only, right? So that is how you need to make the changes on the front end. So majority on the front end. Kostu and to all the other people who are here, you don't need to follow this 20 This is for reference for people who want to do it. If you don't want to do it, then also it's fine. You don't need to worry about it, right? We have shared the husband done. Yeah. So you guys can take the recordings and all, not a big deal. But when obviously, doesn't make sense if you are not attending it, right? You should attend it, but in case you missed it out, you should be taking for help. Sir, can you please help me fix? Yeah, yeah. We'll have one-to-one sessions, right? This is just the you also need to understand that there are 40 round people in there, right? It's very difficult to cater to every uh you can say error, but eventually we'll have our own one-to-one sessions, right? You can have well, that. I think it's 20th, Mandala. Team can correct me otherwise if 20th is not the date, right? I believe 20th is the last date of uploading the project. Any other question, guys, for me that is non-technical in nature? If you have technical ones, I think Jyotirmay will pick it up.
Yeah.
देखो यार, सारा कुछ आपके ग्रुप से पड़ा हुआ, आप लोग चेक नहीं करते. देखो ये गलत बात है, right? You guys need to check the messages. The majority, everything, team, make sure that, obviously, I assume if 100 queries are, being sent to us, only one or two is something that team needs to take care. Otherwise, 20th is the last date. Can I submit one project? Kavya, if you have, bandwidth to submit two projects, multiple projects, then you should. But if you have just one project, then it's also fine. Anything else, guys? Jyotirmay, if you wanted to, uh, showcase something on the front and how they can change it or
Okay.
how.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Definitely. Definitely.
Noorul, You can have your own project, as already mentioned, right? No,
Okay,
you
guys.
can do
Okay, okay.
more than one, right? You can do your own project. You don't need to follow the template. You don't need to follow the idea. You can do whatever you want, right?
Okay. Guys, see, basically, so basically this is a template, okay, this which we are providing to you as well, okay. So text stream basically is a template which we are providing to you, okay. So of course we don't want you guys to submit it like this only, okay. We want you to guys do the changes, okay. So of course, like I think like some of you guys are not from like that. Just a minute. So basically I think like some of you guys are not that technical, I guess, okay. So for that things are not okay, like not that like okay, so basically things are not like that hard basically nowadays. So basically what you guys do, like suppose this is the template which you are having, okay, but suppose if you think like okay, so I can make my project something related, suppose because chat box are like chat GPT, okay. It is only like it's a very generic, okay. If you think like okay, I can make my project food specific, okay. So what you can do, suppose if you are creative enough, you can add the art of yours, okay. You can add the things which I already told you, like how to add things and all, okay. So I told you like always there is a market gap, okay. So basically like so yeah, these things are there, but like yeah, so basically when I was making a project that is linker, okay, I also got the idea, so I was integrating into it like in linker na, basically. So it's not that big problem, but of course it's like it is a thing somehow here and there, like so basically what happened, like like suppose you, if you are going on to some URL, okay, but if you think okay, like maybe not now, but yeah later somehow I will need it, okay. So what you can do, you have to like store it somewhere, okay. But sometimes like we don't have that much like space and all, like to store it somewhere, okay. So that's why I was making a project, basically it was a kind of a linker, okay. So basically what you have to do, you have to provide the link, okay, just link you have to provide, and then it will gonna scrap the entire data from that particular link, okay. So I make the scrapping that scrapping as well. So it will gonna make scrap the entire data from the site, and I connected the AI as well onto it. Suppose it is scrap the data, okay, but that scrapping the data is not that good, okay. So what you can do, you can give the entire data to the entire data, or basically some kind of prompt whatever you want, and then it will gonna like change the data, or like mold it into the way you want it, okay, and then it will gonna return it to you. So that was I was making, okay. And for the UI changes, UI and UX, for the better UI and UX, I looked onto the forum website, okay. And a site which most inspired me, that was ICP forum, okay. Maybe you guys heard of it. Did you heard of it, guys, like some emojis and all? ICP forum. Okay, so basically ICP forum is like a site where ICP work, basically developers who deal with ICP thing, they basically post their articles, issues, okay, and updates, comments, whatever, like all this, all kind of like spare of things, okay. So basically this is the like thing of it. So see, so basically currently we are having this thing, okay. So of course, so you guys can have the idea of your, okay, how can I revolutionize the template which I am having right now into a better form of something, okay. So of course you guys can write your code by your own, or let me do some changes in it, of course, okay. So then you guys will be able to see some little bit changes into it, like how to you guys can make some changes into it, so that it will not gonna be a template anymore, okay. It will gonna take a shape into the project which you want to make into a future, okay. So just a minute, let me just code it. Just a minute, just give me like 1 to 2 minutes, because just a minute. Yeah, one more thing. And if you're gonna look, yeah, just a minute, this is a thing only. Just a minute. This is the project. Okay. Just give me 1 minute, guys. Real time page.tx. Okay, this is the one. I think that's so. Post message. Okay. If you guys have any question, you can till the time till the time I'm doing the code. Okay, you can post it there. Okay, it takes like only like not too much time, but like little bit time. Okay. See, so now I converted its UI into like cooking website. Okay, just see. Now you guys will be able to see like how I did. Like basically, I convert it into Cookmate like AI. Basically, your personal chef for recipes, tips, and cooking hack. Okay, so basically these types of changes you guys can make. Okay, and you guys can make it like what I did. Okay, I use a chat GPT. Okay, to write it code. Okay, if you want to enhance the capability of yours. Okay, so use chat GPT. Okay, chat GPT and whatever AI like tool suits you. Okay, so try to use it. Okay, so that it will gonna provide you with uh basically it can like fast the workflow of yours. Okay, so these things you can you can pursue. And just a minute, let me take some questions. Just a minute. Now, basically, the list of projects which we provide to you, basically ideas. Okay, 20 ideas we provided to you. Now, we provided to you for your convenience. Okay, so that you don't need to like hover around here and there to find the idea for your project. Okay, so that your thing. Basically, if you are having your own idea, then better maximum times. Okay. So then you submit one project from the template as reference, like or like more than no one project will be good. Okay, basically you know submission of template will not gonna uh, lead you to win the hackathon, because those are basic, very basic templates. See, if you look on just a minute. Okay, I just a minute. Let me just show my screen. if you guys if you guys look on to this thing, what is it? It's a very simple UI. Okay, and it is not doing the specific task. Okay, see, those basically the things which we have provided to you. If you're gonna look onto the code as well. Okay, what you will gonna find, we write the like into what format the AI need to give us answer as we wanted. Okay, as we want. We basically wanted to provide to you a basic template, not the entire project. Okay, definitely. So in those cases, whatever code we have written only to provide the basic templates. Okay, we have written the like, okay, if someone is giving us some input and we want to provide him or her output, so how we want to provide it. Okay, in what way we want to provide it. So, suppose we are providing in a general sense. Okay, but your side want to provide it in like a cooking sense, spatial cooking sense. Okay, suppose other than cooking, it will not gonna take any question. Okay, so what will we have, what will be there? You have to program the code of yours into that manner. Okay, so that it will be able to take the input of those kind and give the output of those kind. Okay, we are just providing you a very basic template to basically start you basically where you don't have to like concern yourself about the development part. Okay, basic development starting basically, which we can say. Okay, so try it. So always like submit only one temp, not submit, basically start from the one template. Okay, so that you think. Um, can you please share required steps to improve? Okay, just a minute. Let me provide you some articles regarding it. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Improve. Okay, because I read like some articles. So let me just look on to like providing to you some articles so that you guys will be able to have some articles how to improve user experience. User experience you asked, I think. Yeah, user experience. How to- Just a minute. Just post the questions, okay, guys. Whatever you guys are having, don't wait because we are having only 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, not that much time. Yeah. See, I told you, like mediums articles are very, very good. Okay, concise, better. See, the link I'm providing to you, it is a medium article. Let me like look onto it like some more so that I can give it to you guys. Okay, can we enhance index? Just a minute. Yeah, user feedback is always important. Okay, keep it in mind. Okay, if you are preparing for the hackathon where you really want to win, okay, always try to focus on the user feedback. Always take, suppose if you are making a project, okay, go to the user by Google form or by giving the URL of your website to him or her and take some user experience, because user is the only person who will gonna use, and that guy will gonna tell you in the present time, yeah, how like what things your project lack and where you have to work upon, or what additional things your project can provide. Okay, so that these things are just a minute. Gaurav, okay, can I make a product? Take off. Yeah, of course, definitely, Gaurav, definitely. It is a good idea because it is what it is. Like this is how things work. Like maybe you guys are aware of the like big four like KPMGs and all. Okay, KPMGs and all like other stuff as well, which is basically investing banking company like JP Morgan and all. Okay, Morgan Stanley and all. Okay, so what basically they do? Yeah, Gaurav, yeah. You can like post your question.
Basically,
Bro, just a minute. You can post your question, okay, into chat box. If hello, Gaurav.
yes, sir.
Yeah, you can post your question into the chat box. Or if it will
Sir,
not
it
be
was
like
not a question.
yeah, okay, ask.
Sir, I just want to tell you that means this was part of a project which I have made earlier for my inter-college hackathon. Basically, it was
Okay.
like there was a drone which uses the human feedbacks or the sensation made by the human brain, which detects the predicts the harm or the sensation of happiness or sometimes such other things which help him to guide the humans. Basically, it was like a bodyguard of the human, which moves along with
Mhm.
him and also tracks his mindset, the pulses coming from the brain.
Yeah, that is a good one. Like, okay, yeah, we are not going to technical part, but yeah, it is a very good idea. You can definitely submit it. But yeah, if you have anything else, you can also like provide. You can tell. You can unmute yourself.
Nothing, sir. This much.
Okay. So of course, definitely this is a very good idea. Okay. But if you are not having good UI and UX, so because idea is not only enough, you have to work on the UI and UX as well. Okay. Maybe you already know it if you already have participated into the hackathons and all and you made this project. Okay. So we have Aslina, if you have any doubt, you can post it here into chat box. Okay. So because I am right now here, okay, so that I will be able to look onto it. So this a model will work only if we load the yeah, definitely. Training completion. Okay, just a minute. I think I provided to you one more Medium article. Na? Yeah, two Medium articles I provided to you. So you guys can go through on it. Okay. Just,
So there is one thing I think Nurul is asking after the session, like when we are creating the project in that time we got doubts, right? So we have one-to-one sessions, 15 minutes slot with Jyotir, right? Or any other time mentor who's available at that time, right? You guys can connect with us, we will give you the form, right? And it can be anything or any app, Gaurav. So you can make anything, whatever you wanted. At the end of the day, you just need OpenxAI integration.
yeah, guys. Any more and like any other questions as well? Just a minute, let me just yeah, you guys can post your question. I'm just looking to find the article for you guys as well. This is also a good way to find which I'm providing you the article. Okay. By reading this article, you guys will be able to like if you are not able to find any idea for the project of yours, so maybe you will be able to find it. Okay. Some good idea for the project of yours. This is also a article. Yeah, guys. Any more questions? Okay. Yeah. You were facing some error, na? Wonderbond. Just share your screen, okay? Now, so that I can look onto it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because I don't think you guys have any other question.
So just give me a minute.
Yeah, definitely. What is this question? So we are done, and we please share the timelines. Okay. No, we are not done now. You guys can share your questions if you guys are having. So let me just resolve the error, and then we can wrap up the session. Okay.
So can you see?
Yeah. If you guys want me to find like more articles for you, okay, so I can find it out more for you, okay, regarding these things. You guys can provide me like some emojis and all, okay, or if these articles are enough, like 4 articles I provided to you, 2 related to UI UX basically, and 2 related to uh that thing, basically how to find the idea. Okay, so if you guys need more, then I can provide. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now click on the fork.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, wonder swarm. Okay. Okay, just a minute. Just open your inspect.
So how do I open?
Inspect console. Okay, just a minute. Okay, just a minute. Just close this. Just close this thing. The pop-up you have right now. Yeah. So on the screen, just click right. Click on the right mouse of your mouse. Yeah. Click on inspect
Okay.
console. I think some error is there, maybe because it need to like take you to that side. Like basically whenever you fork na, it need to take
Okay.
you to that side, to basically to your GitHub. Yeah, click on
Yes.
this console. I think okay, do one thing. Do yeah, by opening this thing console, just click on the fork again.
Oh, so come again?
Can you click on the fork button again?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, without closing, just keep
Yes,
it.
sir. Yes, sir.
Just a minute. I also need to study now, so that's just
Okay.
keep it that way.
Is it
Yeah,
fine, sir?
that is okay.
Okay.
And now click on create fork and remove your this thing meat box button. Just a minute. So time of evaluation reflow while executing JavaScript. Just a minute. But these are the warnings only, I think. Can you click on this thing? 2 errors.
This one, sir.
No. That one. Just a minute. Just go to your right. Sorry, left.
Okay.
Just
This
yeah,
one. Okay, two
two.
errors.
Yeah. This one. Click on this. Explain console. 1 minute. Okay. I think okay. Can you open your GitHub on this only? On this only. Don't go to the
Okay.
open on this browser. Open your personal one.
Sir, can I open it on the Chrome? I have it on the Chrome.
Okay. Okay. Open it there. It's reloading. Okay. Do one thing. Open the Git. First of all, can you close your like entire this thing like Chrome, entire Chrome, if you don't
Entire.
have anything, because too
Uh,
many tabs are there. Like
Sir, I can open a new tab.
okay, open a new tab of Chrome then. Like too many tabs are there. Na, it will gonna like
I know, sir. I need it actually.
okay. It's not just yeah, open a new tab.
Okay, fine, sir. I'll just close it.
Yeah, and open your block here. Okay, on Chrome. Basically, hackathon repository which we provided to you. Open it in Google.
Yes, sir. What should I open?
Repository which we have provided to you, the template one.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah,
Should
do
I
the
fork
fork.
it, sir?
Yeah, do the fork. Yeah, click on this one. I think like some error is there. Like, okay. Here only can you click? Can you click on your GitHub photo basically the icon which you are seeing on the right side of yours, the right side. Yeah, this one. Yeah, just click on this thing, your profile. Yeah, click on this thing. I think some error you are facing from the side of the GitHub. So I think
Sir,
like
actually, I had forked it, but I was facing issues, so I just unforked it.
okay. Hmm. I think I don't think like maybe you can do the thing this thing again, like it's not tech. I think you are facing some error from the GitHub. It can happen like some
Okay.
like some internal thing or like some those things can be there, okay, issues and all. Yeah, anyone else like who is facing any other error? Like anyone? Yeah, you can like stop your presentation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I do.
So guys, currently let me see how many pull requests do we got. See 31 only there. Only one, only addition of one is there. Okay. So I want you guys to like do it like as soon as possible. Okay. So that the chances of your win will be there. Okay. So anyone like any question? Yeah, sir. What?
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay. Yes, Sahil. Yeah. It's done. I think. Hello. Just a minute. Yeah, Bhupinder bhai.
Yes, Jyotin.
So
So guys, we have done with the workshop part, but Still, we are in connect with you, and we will be in connect with you. Just you have to fill the Google form of the error resolving meet, and we will schedule the one error resolving meet, and the meet timing will you guys will get on your DM on the WhatsApp DM. So just fill that form which I have already shared in a group, and try to and make sure that you guys should submit your project before the 20th August. And we do have one important certification part in that as well. Like there will be definitely training completion certificate after your project submit after you guys will submit your project. uh, Other than this, we have the top performer certificate, which shows that you guys have performed in the training program so well, and it will definitely we can say increase your resume value uh, when you are going to be in the AI certification field or any kind of the AI field. So it is important, but that certificate will be given to those only who are really performing well in this training program. So make sure that we can say on what aspect we will judge your projects. Like first of all, the timely submission is important. Okay. Second thing is you guys should uh, make the working project, as well as you guys should use the quality code, and that project should be integrated with the OpenxAI. After that, the judgment will be made on that basis, and uh, the top projects will be selected. Okay, so make sure, guys, you should complete your project before the submission deadline. Only then, after the submission, you will get your training completion certificate from the OpenxAI, and we have the we have the certification for the top projects. So give your, we can say, everything for this, and just try to be a position in the top. uh, Along with that, in addition, we have the hackathon Hacknode India. You guys can submit that project in that hackathon as well. uh, and uh, and I guess that is mandatory for each and everyone, those who are submitting the Google form. So you guys can able to win the 5K dollars prize pool money, and of course we do have the goodies as well. Those who are submitting the project, uh, the one some of them will get the goodies as well on the basis of their projects. Okay, make sure timely submission is the much important, because that is what you guys can do by your end. The quality code you can write by your end, and after that the judgment will be in the hand of the judges. So make sure that you guys submit it on timely and submit the something great project. So this is all from our side. If you guys want to reconnect with us, just fill the Google form, and we will definitely schedule the one-to-one mentor session, and you guys can get the guidance from our developer mentor. Okay. Okay, guys, see you again, and looking forward to your responses in the submission Google form. We'll definitely want to see some faces to win from this pool. Okay, from this training pool. Yeah, I have seen the lot of thumbs up. First of all, let me know that who is going to win the Hacknode India. Just do the thumbs up. Those who are confident, and that shows that you guys can win. Great. There are the lot of thumbs. So this kind of the confidence I need to look upon from your side here. And you guys can connect with us at any time, at any day. No matter the training program ends, you guys will get in loop with us through the various other programs as well. And of course, the judgment will be given for this training program. Okay, guys, see you again. And Jyotirme, if you have something to share, you can. And after that, we will wrap up the session.
Yeah, yeah, no. Yeah, okay, guys. Like,
Jyotirme, okay,
best of luck.
Jyotirme, yeah, you can something like you can encourage the participant
Okay,
that,
okay, okay.
yeah, in terms of the developer mental. So they are looking
Okay,
from your side as well.
okay, okay, okay. So basically, like best of luck, first of all. Okay. So like try to like focus on the UI UX and the backend and the like idea which is like a little bit unique. Okay. We're gonna hackathon. They will gonna focus onto as well. Okay. Onto it, that will be their like focus point. So so these kind of thing I'm also looking from you guys. Okay, because like for 5 days we were here. Okay, we like we converse, we basically had a conversation and all. Okay, we try to resolve the questions and all. So after like this much of like effort from both ends, I'm looking for like some results from your side into the hackathon. Okay, so that we will be having some students who gone to like some length. Okay, so this is what I'm like expecting from you guys, and I think like you will be able to achieve it. Okay, so yeah, these things are there. Yeah, Bhupendra, yeah.
And guys, one thing I forgot to mention, uh, do not forget us to mention on the LinkedIn and all after the completion of the training program. And we do have the goodies for that as well. So yes, you can share your insights, what you have learned till now, and what you have submitted. You can showcase the project which you have submitted in this training program, and further you guys can share your feedback as well on the LinkedIn. So yes, just let me know that who is going to share their insights on the LinkedIn. Do the thumbs up, guys, and do not forget to mention the blog and OpenxAI. Yeah, I need to see. I'm looking to see the lot of the thumbs up. Please, guys, it is important as well. Okay, great. Paresh, you can connect with any admin, okay? And basically, those who are sending the messages in the WhatsApp group, so you can connect with them as well. Okay, guys, see you soon, and we'll definitely look upon your submissions in terms submissions in the training program and Hacknode India, and definitely I'm going to see your LinkedIn profiles as well once you guys are going to share your insights and key takeaways. Okay, so okay, guys, all the best for the submission, and looking forward to the results. Bye, bye, guys.
Okay, yeah, bye bye, thank you.